The Olympic Games are one of the world's most celebrated sporting events, showcasing athletic excellence, cultural unity, and international cooperation. The history of the Games spans thousands of years, from their origins in ancient Greece to the modern global phenomenon. The Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece, with the first recorded event held in 776 BCE in Olympia, a sanctuary in the Peloponnesus dedicated to Zeus, the king of the Greek gods. These games were part of a religious festival honoring Zeus and were held every 4 years. Initially, the Olympics consisted of a single event, a short foot race called the stadion. Over time, additional events were introduced, including wrestling, chariot racing, discus, javelin, and the pentathlon. The Games were a significant cultural and religious event, drawing participants and spectators from across the Greek city-states. Only free Greek men could compete, and the athletes performed in the nude, emphasizing physical excellence and divine inspiration. Women were excluded from participating or even attending. The ancient Olympics continued for nearly 12 centuries until they were abolished in 393 CE by Roman Emperor Theodosius I, who sought to suppress pagan practices. The Olympic Games were revived in the late 19th century, thanks to the efforts of French educator and historian Pierre de Coubertin. Inspired by the ideals of ancient Greece and the growing interest in physical fitness and international cooperation, Coubertin proposed re-establishing the Games as a modern international competition. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece, in 1896, symbolically linking the new event to its ancient origins. The Athens Games featured 14 nations, 241 athletes, and 9 sports, including athletics, gymnastics, and swimming. Unlike the ancient Games, women were allowed to participate starting in 1900. The Olympics grew rapidly in scale and significance. The Winter Olympics, dedicated to snow and ice sports, were introduced in 1924 in Chamonix, France. The Paralympic Games, for athletes with disabilities, began in 1960, and the Youth Olympic Games debuted in 2010, focusing on young athletes aged 14 to 18. Throughout the 20th century, the Olympics became a global platform for showcasing athletic talent and fostering international goodwill. However, they were not without challenges, including boycotts, political controversies, and financial difficulties. Notable examples include the 1936 Berlin Games, used as Nazi propaganda, and the Cold War-era boycotts in 1980 and 1984. Today, the Olympic Games are among the most watched events worldwide, featuring over 200 nations and thousands of athletes competing in a wide variety of sports. They symbolize global unity, sportsmanship, and cultural exchange, embodying the Olympic motto, Citius, Altius, Fortius, faster, higher, stronger. The Games continue to evolve, with new sports introduced, sustainability emphasized, and technology enhancing athlete performance and viewer experience. From their humble beginnings in ancient Greece to their modern prominence, the Olympic Games remain a testament to the enduring human spirit and the pursuit of excellence.